do a whole rainbow of colours today. In our outfit, well, not on my outfit. So as you can see, I've already did the blue outfit. Now let's do a different outfit. This outfit is going to be let's do yellow. So we're gonna do this face because it's yellow. Get off that. Okay. Should we wear the new cape? I don't know. I'm trying to go for like a pretty look. Not saying the noob cape isn't pretty. Noobs are beautiful. Anyway. Oh, I like that. Yeah, we can wear that. Okay. Let's do that. Okay, let me just put something on real quick. Okay, yellow. We're looking for yellow. Yellow. Oh, that's yellow. Of that. Oh, of that. Maybe we can go for like a beamer. I mean, we could. Yeah, I think. Oh, of that. Oh. You know, I have no idea. Let's keep on looking. Okay. Okay, wait. Oh, do you think we should do that? Yeah, I think we can do that. Okay, now for hair. Oh no, I hate being bald. Anyway. So, let's look for yellow hair. The only yellow hair that I can think of is the, the ramen noodle hair. I don't want to wear them when I'm... That's yellow. I'll keep looking. Can it just be blonde? Because it's basically yellow. I guess I'll have to be full of... Okay. Oh. That is yellow. I think that's the best outfit. Yeah. Yes, we can do this. Yes. Okay, now let's, should we do the Felipe has hat? We might do that. Oh, never mind. Okay. Let's see. Okay, so every outfit needs an accessory. Yes. A golden penguin. Yes. Or a halo. So let's try the halo. It looks really nice. We can put the, oh my, that's a great look. Okay. Okay, so we need like I don't know if there's any skirts in yellow. Okay, I'll type in skirt. Yeah, that's all the skirts they have. So there's none in yellow. But let's just hope they have something. We could let's use that. We're gonna be a fairy. I don't like being fairies, but today we're gonna be one. Ooh, that's a nice necklace. Okay. Should we go for a bait? Oh my. What should we... that kind of looks a bit ugly. No offense to any of you that love that. It just looks a bit... Should we have to... I don't think we should have one of these. Okay. Okay, let's get a red. I want to know if there's like a mask. Like a mask that is yellow. What is that? Oh, I love that. Okay, we're definitely gonna keep that. Okay. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay. I'm sorry, I'm saying wait a minute way too many times. So if we put on, so if we put on the crown, would the crown go on the penguin? If it does, I am big brain. Okay, let's... Okay, it's on hands, isn't it? Okay. Oh, please go on the penguin. Oh. Oh, you can't see it. Wait, what if I get rid of the penguin? That actually looks pretty sick. I want to keep that. I like that. I like that a lot. Anyway. Okay. So that is the yellow outfit. So we're going to set it to yellow. Okay. Now let's do a mint outfit. I really like the color mint right now. Baby blue, baby pink, and mint are my favorite colors. Probably. So we're just gonna find one that's green. The only green base that I can think of right now is that we're like about to throw a base, and I really don't want to use that. That's green. Okay, there's a lot more green. Should we go for like a scary green this time? Yeah, let's go for a scary green. Okay. I don't normally go for scary looks, but I don't even know it's gonna be scary. I'm just gonna try. That look. Wait, no, I'm supposed to do mint. That. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Okay. So, looking, I'm looking, I'm looking. Okay. I think that's all we can do for the mint. Okay, we'll just put this. That's just a random one. So how about I type in mint? No, nothing comes up. Great. I'm trying to make this scary as well. So, well, I'm trying to make it as scary as I can make something. I really don't make things scary. I could have those. Oh, no, wait. Hold on. Anyway, let's go informal and see if there's anything. Nothing informal, nothing casual. Nothing informal. Wait. Oh! Eh. Huh? I think that might look good. Okay, yeah, that's good enough. Good enough. Okay, now for the hair. I'm very excited. Okay, so remember mint. I don't think anything comes up when you just type in the color, which is sad, which is very sad. Oh, this is genius. I think this might be it. It's literally mint ice cream. It's all I could ask for. Yeah, that's perfect. I'm using that. Me. Oh, should we have? Let's have Althea's. I don't even know if it's Althea. It just looks cute. I want to look cute. Oh, that looks. I can't even see it, but if I could, I probably would say it looks amazing because it looks amazing. I think there's like a headband. I don't know, but that would look so cute if there was a headband. But probably was, but still, I didn't get to see it. Wow. Okay. I feel like I say okay anyways like a bunch of times, and I don't mean it. I don't mean it. I don't mean to like attack you with okays and anyways. Anyway. Oh my god, I did it again. When am I ever going to stop saying the word? Okay. Oh my god. Sorry? Okay. So let's scroll down and see. We could be a boss, but then I'll ruin the whole entire peacock. Should we be a peacock in disguise? That's not really mint, so I guess not. We could have a dinosaur. I mean, I am trying to make it look a bit scary. Dinosaurs are scary, right? I mean, at least in my opinion. Like, dinosaurs are scary, in my opinion. But anyway, I'm really sorry. I'm gonna have to end it up here because I feel like my laptop is gonna die, and that's what I use to record my videos. And I haven't finished with this one, so I'm sorry. I will definitely do a part 2 in like 3 minutes.